Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a cute pineapple. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here in the middle of the page. I'm going to draw the outer shape of the body of the pineapple. Here we go. It's kind of like an oval, but with a little bit more of a square shape to it. Or rectangle shape, I should say. Now take your time. This is a long shape to create with line. You can always pause the video if you need more time. And then back up to where we started. Like that. Okay, now let's draw the top of the pineapple here, up here, and it's all the leaves that come off that attach to the tree. So here we go. We're going to do a leaf over here going, and then bring it back and connect it to the body. And we'll do one up from here. And then one from this point here. We'll stop right about there. We'll go down here. And we'll do another one over like this. And we'll do some more up here. There's a lot of leaves on the top of a pineapple. Like that. And now let's draw some lines on those leaves. So just a thin line in the middle, one up like this, one up like this, one up like this, here on all the leaves. Okay, now let's draw the face on the pineapple. Right in the middle, we're going to do two eyes. So we'll do an eye, just a circle right here for one eye. That. And then a circle over here for another eye. Like that. And let's do some highlights. So a smaller circle inside of that one. And a smaller circle inside of that one. And then we'll do another highlight on both in an even smaller circle, and let's color that in black. Okay, in the middle, let's do the mouth. We'll do a smiley mouth right here in the middle like this. And maybe we'll make that mouth open. That, draw a tongue. Okay, now let's draw some texture on this pineapple. So they're kind of rough and they have kind of square diamond shapes all over it. So starting right about here, we're going to draw some diagonal thin lines across the shape of the pineapple like this. And what we'll do is we'll stop where the face is so the face is nice and clear. And now let's go crisscross that with those. So starting here, like that, one like that, one like that,
Wow! I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
I'm gonna make mine an orangey color, but you can make your pineapple any color you want. And the leaves green. And a pink tongue.
And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.